Here at the Slack Key Festival. As I like to say, I come from the island of Berkeley, California. But my mother comes from a little small place. Ho'olehua Molokai, and my father came from Kahuku, an island right here. And when I was a little boy, my mother would sing to me. So these are some of the songs Mom would sing. So just sit back and relax. And when you kiss me, you'll be surprised at what you find. And when you kiss me, you'll be surprised at what you find. So as you can tell, this really isn't a guitar. In Berkeley, it was real difficult to find a teacher. It's impossible, especially back in the 80s. And it was my uncles from the Big Island that shared their knowledge with me, but they'd only teach me when they were drunk. And so it was the funniest thing. And I was trying to explain to them, Salomila, yeah? And, it's kind of a risque song. So as a child, I would always wonder, why in the world are they laughing, at the Salomila and all these words. So, I just, once again, before we leave, I just want to say thank you to Mr. Lau for allowing us to come. And thank you to the Outrigger Hotel, who have been very kind to us where our workshops were and where we're staying. I really appreciate the Outrigger and the Reef, the East, and Waikiki. Mahalo so much, Outrigger.